Most homeowners don't think about their crawl space until something goes wrong. Moisture down there can lead to mold, structural damage, and even poor air quality inside your home. So today, we're testing a solution designed to stop that problem at the source. This is the AlorAir Helios MP55 120 PPD crawl space dehumidifier. Quick heads up. AlorAir did send me this unit for this video, but as always, I'll be sharing my real experience using it. Right out of the box, you get everything you need to get started. That includes the unit itself, along with drain hose for continuous operation, and right away, the design feels purpose-built. This is compact enough to fit into tight crawl spaces, but at the same time, it's a commercial-grade unit. It also has a corrosion-resistant exterior that's designed to handle long-term use and humid environments. Setting this up is actually pretty straightforward. You connect the included drain hose directly to the unit. In a real crawl space setup, you would run that hose to a nearby drain or route it outside for continuous water removal. But what makes this system a lot more flexible is the built-in pump. It can push water up to 15 feet vertically and up to 100 feet horizontally. So even if your crawl space doesn't have ideal drainage, you still have options. From there, you set your desired humidity level using the digital control panel. The interface is simple and easy to read, so you're not guessing where anything is. And once it's set, it handles the rest automatically. Airflow can also be adjusted depending on how your space is configured, which helps optimize how the unit performs over time. Now let's talk about the performance. This unit is capable of removing up to 120 pints of moisture per day under saturated conditions. And if it's designed to cover spaces up to 15,000 square feet, which makes it ideal for most crawl spaces and basements. Over time, that kind of capacity translates into noticeable drop in humidity levels. After running this for a few days, what I noticed was the air was a lot crispier, a lot fresher. My allergies weren't acting up, so this thing works. Whether that's the air feeling drier, less musty, or just more comfortable overall, this is where you really start to see the impact. It also includes features like automatic defrost, which helps it continues operating in colder environments. In the event of power outage, it will automatically restart with your previous settings. So once it's dialed in, it's really a hands-off system. And this is where something like this really starts to make sense, because controlling moisture isn't just about comfort. It's about protecting your home structure, improving air quality, and maintaining long-term value. And having a built-in pump also simplifies the installation process, since you don't need to rely on a separate drainage system. So who is this for? If you're a homeowner dealing with crawl space, moisture, or even a contractor looking for a reliable and efficient solution, this is built to handle that. It's designed to do the job consistently without needing constant attention. If you want to grab the AlorAir MP55, I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. And if moisture has been an issue in your home, this one is one of those upgrades that actually solves it at the source.